Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the multiple stream king, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full. Family, man. Happy New Year, y'all. Happy New Year. All right, we are in a new decade, man. How about that? All right, I actually was introduced to this industry, all right, over 6, 7 years ago, I believe. 6 years, okay? And fast forward now, man. We know what we doing. All right, we know how we doing it. We done built our own brands, and we're making plenty of money, man. I want to share with you all today how to make money online in 2020. Now, if you've been following me, all right, if you've already subscribed to my channel, then you know what's going on. All right, but I got some great news for you. But if you somehow stumbled upon this channel, or someone told you or referred you to me, first thing I need you to do is click that subscribe button. All right, it's just a little red button right there. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. You see it. Go ahead and click that button. All right, and click the notification bell so anytime I drop a video, you are the first to be notified and listen to me. You do not want to miss any content I drop in 2020 because I'm going to be showing you all how to get to the bag. If you're looking at the logo right there, you see me carrying 2 bags. I'm going to show you all how to get to the money, man. My wife actually created that logo for me. All right, she is my digital design person. She does all my artwork for me, and I love it. All right, and so we're going to tap into exactly what we got going on. Make this short and sweet. All right, and you stay tuned. I'm going to be dropping video after video all year long, and it's going to be up to you. All right, to take action. All right, you can sit back and look and spectate. All right, like this is a TV show or something. You can look and say, you know what, this is a lifetime opportunity, and I need to take advantage of an opportunity of a lifetime in the lifetime of the opportunity. All right, shout out to ET for that. But check it out. So as you can see, you see 4 different logos on there. All right, health, travel, trade, and credit. All right, right here, health, travel, trade, and credit. Okay, that's what we're tapping into under the PNF umbrella. Those are the 4 markets we have tapped into. Okay, I've been a part of the health and wellness niche now for over 4 years, I believe. Just jumped into the travel industry. Not even been a full month, or maybe a month or so now. All right, trading, all right, and then credit. Okay, so the trade is basically Forex, the Forex market. We're about to kick butt and take names with that. I've actually partnered with a guy down here in my city. All right, and so we're about to really do some big things with that. And then of course I'm still a part of the credit MWR. Okay, now I'm not going to go into each specific company that I'm with right now. I just want to show you what we're doing. All right, I'm not even going to put any links on the bottom of this video. All right, so you can share it with people. Only thing that's going to be below right now is my email, my Facebook, and my Instagram, so we can connect. Okay, and you can let me know, what you might want to get involved with, or if you have any questions about anything. And then as the months progress, as the weeks progress, as the days progress, I'll be dropping niche specific videos, all right, opportunity specific videos on what we got going on, and if you want to cash in. Okay, but I just want to throw a few numbers out there to you to make you understand how powerful this is. Okay, so the health and wellness niche right now is a $4.3 trillion a year industry. $4.3 trillion a year industry. When you just like 1%, I know I would. All right, the travel industry, 8.6, 8.7, or 8.8, one of them, I remember saying the number, 8 point something trillion dollar a year industry. Okay, how about the trading, Forex? We're talking about a $5.3 trillion a day industry. Okay, $5.3 trillion a day industry in the Forex market. And then Forex credit, from my research showing it's about $3 billion a year. Okay, so we're talking about some serious income that you can tap into and make some money. If that much money is being made and circulated, don't you think you can make a little bit of that? All right, and forget a little bit. Let's think big. You want to make a lot of that, right? There has been millionaires and billionaires created through these platforms. Individuals just like you, just like myself, who took a chance on themselves and said, you know what, I want to get involved. Okay, I want to see what's going on. You ain't got to know nothing about it. All right, the beautiful thing about when you lock arms and join me, okay, I train you. I have a fully loaded training website. All right, it's the PNF Empire Academy, and training is going to be over all of this stuff. Okay, so no matter what you decide to get involved with, we're all under one umbrella. I got one training group. All right, and I'm helping everyone. All right, turn their dreams into reality. Okay, we chasing the bag this year, y'all. So it's really up to you. Ball's gonna be in your court on what you guys decide to do. Okay, so right now you're gonna see a lot of travel videos coming from me because it's a super simple opportunity. It's very lucrative and it's worldwide. Okay, when it comes to that health niche, All right, you're gonna be seeing me talking a lot about the CBD industry because we have tapped into CBD. All right, I think it's projected to do over 600 billion. Let me see if I still got that stat up. Okay, because that's really amazing. All right, give me just a second. Well, I want to give y'all some facts real quick. When I pulled that up, check this out. Okay, this one is estimated worth. All right, so for 2018, all right, they did 16 billion. I'm sorry, 600 million. In between 600 million and 2 billion for 2018 through 2019. Okay, they say it's projected to do 16 billion by 2025. It'll behoove you to cash in now. Okay, it behooves you to cash in now. So I'm gonna have more info on that. If you want info about that, all you gotta do is email me. Follow me on my Facebook. Follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna be doing tons of Facebook lives, Instagram lives, you name it. All right, I'm putting people in a position to win. All right, if you've never made money online, that is fine. Okay, I'm not one of those leaders out there that sign people up and leave them to dry. When you join me, you join an organization, you join a family, you join things that is structured. You have a training website, you have a training group, and we got a messenger group to make sure, all right, we are here for you. All right, you're here, you're going to be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. All right, our motto for 2020 on the Pay the Full family is one team, one dream, and that's financial freedom. All right, remember that, one team, one dream, and that's financial freedom. Okay, so listen, I want to make this video long. This is a Happy New Year post to you all. All right, and I'm just really wanting to put out there and let you all know what we are doing. All right, I'm looking for movers. I'm looking for shakers. I'm looking for people who, are sick and tired of being sick and tired. I'm looking for people who are hungry. Okay, our organization right now, we're pretty large. Okay, let me double back real quick. We are big things are going on right now within our organization, you all. And like I say, it's only going to grow. It is only going to grow. All right, you have to take action though. You got to be that person that say, you know what? I could care less what anybody else think about me. I don't care what anyone say. I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this for my family. All right. 2020, you have to take action for yourself. All right. You got to be a no excuses, just results human being. Okay. That's what I'm all about, man. No excuses, just results, man. We're trying to break the broke cycle over here inside the PNF Empire. All right. We're trying to help folks fire their boss if that's what they choose. But more importantly, man, we're just trying to help folks live a better life, man. We really are trying to change lives over here. And we believe that we have the tools. We believe we have the business platforms to get it done. Okay, so it's going to be totally up to you, all right, to do it. Now, let me scroll down here just a second so y'all can see that we're not playing no games. Okay, let me let it load up here real quick. 1 second. All right, so you can see right here in the right hand corner right now, we got 1,136 members inside this group. All right, my goal, all right, within the next 6 months is to have that at 10,000. Okay, 10,000 members making money online. Okay, where are you going to fall and play? All right, it's totally up to you. This is a private Facebook training group for paid members only. So you have to join us, all right, either in the health industry, travel, trade, or credit. All right, you get access to this group. You get access to the live training. You get access to our training website. All right, and you get full support. All right, you get a family that is here to help you, y'all. We trying to see it, travel the world, man, and make money while doing it. Okay, so I will see you all on the next video. You're going to want to make sure you subscribe so you can get details about these opportunities. All right, this is my 2020. Don't plan on joining any other opportunity. All right, I do have little affiliate offers that I have, but this is my business. All right, this is what I'm building my empire up under: health, travel, trade, and credit. All right, so all the gurus and people hit me up trying to sign me up and all this other others, I'm done. All right, this is where it's at. All right. $1 trillion industries outside of credit, but it being a $3 billion industry, hey, pick your poison. Come in, let's win. This is the multiple stream king, Ladale Williams, man. I'm showing y'all how to make money online with the MSK, man. Go get it and come back with it. See y'all on the next video.